Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You open OneNote and sign in, now create a notebook, then a section and a page. This organizes everything. Tap the plus to add your first note. Choose typing, drawing, or voice. Use the camera button to snap a document or whiteboard for fast capture, since images convert to searchable content. Make sure sync is on so changes save to the cloud. Once done, give the page a short title. That keeps retrieval easy and consistent. Now dig into organizing and capturing richer content. You apply tags like to do or important to filter tasks quickly. Use search to find tagged items. If you prefer handwriting, switch to ink and try the stylus. It converts to text when needed. Record audio while you jot notes so you get context later. Move pages between sections to reflect changing projects. Use colors and emojis to make scanning faster. Make sure to force sync after big changes so everything is backed up. To finish, share your work. Tap Share, choose a person or link, then set view or edit rights. This lets collaborators contribute in real time. Verify sync completed before closing the app, pull down to force sync and inspect account status if something lags. If notes still won't update, sign out and sign in again, clear the app cache or reinstall. That resolves most issues. One key tip: check storage and network. Sync fails most often due to full storage or poor Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.